Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I'm going to teach you about how to install Mendeley on your desktop. So let's begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, you will have to search for Mendeley on Google. So type Mendeley and this link. It will take you to the Mendeley website. So here is the website of Mendeley. This is the link where you can create your free account, and here once you create your account you can sign in by clicking this button. This is another button from where you can create your account. This is the button for the download of Mendeley. I will teach you about how to create your account in another video, but in this video we will learn about how to download Mendeley from the Mendeley website. From this button you can download it for the Mac system, and this is the download button for Linux. Procedure for downloading Mendeley for any system, like for Mac system or for Linux or for Windows, is almost the same. In this video we will learn how to download this for Windows. So let's click on this red highlighted button to download the Mendeley for Windows. So it will start downloading. Once the download is complete, you can click the link shown on the bottom left of the screen, you can see, or you can also go to your download folder. You will find this file in your download folder, and from there you can install it. Okay, now just click on this downloaded file. Follow the instructions and your Mendeley will be installed on your Windows system. Okay, installation has now completed. I have checked the button for Run Mendeley Desktop. Click on Finish. Your Mendeley will start immediately. So this is the Mendeley and it has installed now on your system. Now let me tell you about how to install web importer for different browsers and also for the MS Office, MS Word. To install it for your web browser, the importer, click on Install Web Browser Importer. Once you clicked, it will take you to the site where you can install your importer from. This importer is for the Microsoft Edge browser. Once this site is opened, just click on this Get Web Importer for Edge. Now click on this blue Get button. Click Add Extension. Your Mendeley importer is now added to your Microsoft Edge browser. To install the Mendeley browser importer on other browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox, you have to go to the main page again. Click on Back button. Okay, this is the main page. Now copy this address, open your Google Chrome, paste it here, click Enter, and now get Web Importer for Chrome. It will add your Mendeley importer on your Google Chrome as well. As I have already installed it on my Google Chrome, so it is showing the button of Remove from Google Chrome. If I hadn't installed it, it will show me the button of installation of Web Importer. Now let me tell you about how to install it for the Firefox browser. Just paste that address in your Firefox and click this button, Get Web Importer for Firefox. Okay, click on this Add to Firefox button, click Add. Yes, done. Your web importer for Mozilla Firefox is now installed. Now let me show you how to install the Word plugin for Mendeley. As I have already installed it, therefore it is showing uninstall MS Word plugin. Let me uninstall it first so that you can see how to install it. Okay, go to Tools and click Install MS Word plugin. Click OK. Okay, open your MS Word and go to References tab. Here is your Mendeley plugin for your MS Word. So from here you can insert citations in your Word and change the style, etc. Inshallah, in my next video I'm going to tell you about how to create a free account on Mendeley website. So thank you. Bye.